guys, it's Sid Baby and I am back with another video. Today I'm gonna do my makeup routine, even though it's really ratchet. Like, I'm not good with makeup. I don't know how to do it. I just do something. That's probably why my makeup always be looking a mess. But this is my ratchet makeup tutorial. I can't even call it a makeup tutorial because no one's gonna do this. It's just me showing you how I do my makeup and how ratchet it is, just because I wanted to do it. I just throw it on however I like. I do not buy expensive makeup. I just buy makeup from like Walmart or like hair stores because that's all I need. First, I'm gonna start with washing my face. When I was growing up, I had really bad acne. I used to like get made fun of. I remember getting made fun of for my acne, but I'm not saying it's the best now, but it's came a long way. Okay. Face clear as day, brand is new. And I'm kind of growing my eyebrows out so I can get them done for rizzle instead of doing it myself, because I really am just messing my eyebrows up. But what's it? So the first thing I do is my eyebrows. Not really sure if that's what I'm supposed to do first in the makeup world, but that's what I do. And honestly, to be honest, where's my eyebrow? Right? To be honest with you, I use this little like thing. It's not like the good stuff, but I get it from Walmart, and I apply it to my eyebrows. This is not even a descriptive like makeup tutorial because nobody is going to do it. I just wanted you guys to be here while I did my makeup because I haven't posted a video in a long time, so I thought y'all would want to see my ratchet makeup routine. Ooh, before I do that, I learned this. I would take a mascara. There's really no mascara in here. This mascara is like years old, but I just take the brush and like brush my eyebrows down first, because why not? It just really makes your eyebrows like stay down. Actually, okay, that's good enough. So do that, you know. Now take this and just do my eyebrows. I just trace around it. And while I'm doing that, I like steady brush it out. I'm like if I could be better at something, it would most definitely be doing my eyebrows, because I don't know how girls be making their eyebrows look so good. And honestly, this cheap stuff I get gets dried out so much, so I have to like be ratchet and add a little water to it. I'm just gonna use my towel. That's all. I don't feel like getting up. Like I say, y'all, this is a ratchet makeup routine. If you want to get some good makeup tutorials, I'm not the one. If someone wants to do my eyebrows for me every day for a living, hit me up. Who even thought of this? Who even said doing eyebrows? Let's make that a trend, and let's have every girl feel like they have to have perfect eyebrows. Whoever thought of this, I hate you, because this is just a waste of my time. Just make it a little bit neater with my foundation. I'm hungry. What's new? Always hungry. So I just put it on my hand, and then there's like too much. Put a little foundation, not perfectly neat, but a little neater. And then I can straighten it up. Y'all, I don't even know what I'll be doing, so if y'all could give me a makeup tutorial, this is really just a call for help, honestly. Because I really don't know what I'd be doing. Like, this is seriously just a call for help. Like, help me do my makeup. I really should just skip the eyebrow part because that's just an embarrassment. I just see people like do makeup tutorials and I'm just like, how do you do that? How do you make that happen on your face? Because Sydney needs some help. All right, so I take this, get it wet. Just get it wet with my towel, just so it's like damp. Normally I like get wet underneath the sink, but I'm too lazy. Okay, this is literally what I do when I do my foundation. I do it so weird. But I take my beauty blender and I put dots on it like this. I don't know why, but I am convinced that my makeup looks better when I do this. Like, I put dots on it like this. And then I do this like a cheetah. I'll be looking like a cheetah after this. Put more dots. Like, let me tell you guys, I don't know what I be doing. I don't know. I just do something. That's why my makeup be looking so ratchet. Like, I need help. Somebody, anybody, please help me. Okay. Then I kind of do this, I guess. I don't know. Just be pat, pat, pat. Pat, 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 pat. Some people use brushes, and I sometimes use a brush to do this sometimes. I like do both. I like pat for a while. When my hand begins tired. You hear that? Popped. Got arthritis. I always take this brush and like rub all the excess in. Sometimes my beauty blender, it's a cheap beauty blender. I got it from Walmart. It's really cheap, so it's not real, but just do it like that. I don't know how people spend well, I guess I do know how people spend so much money on makeup. It's probably because they want their makeup to look better than mine. But Sydney don't got money for that. I totally messed this eyebrow up again, y'all. Help me, help me. This eyebrow and me are not getting along today at all. Okay, now I do my eyeshadow. I like to, wait, actually first sometimes I try to contour. It doesn't work, but it's all broken now, but I got this contour kit from like a hair store. And see, I do that. Take, and then it messes up my nose like this. And then I take my foundation and do it like that. But then I also just take my beauty blender and rub it in. You can't even tell. You can't even tell I did it. I'm not gonna even contour because I don't know what I'm doing. I had this like really good highlighter, but I ran out, and then when I went back to the hair store, they didn't have it anymore. So I got this from a different hair store, and to be honest with you, I hate it. I hate this highlighter. It does nothing. It doesn't show up on me, but whatever. It's hard to open. Okay, am I stupid? Ooh, got Oh, it's opening. I take this brush. I don't know where I got it from. My mom gave it to me a long time ago. And then I put it on my nose. I put it right here by my lips, my chin, because when I used to watch makeup tutorials, that's where they always put it. Here I am. I never rub it in enough. Can you guys see it? Can you see it? Ooh, ooh. Honestly, this highlighter sucks for my face, but it's good for my eyebrows. Or I mean, not eyebrows, eyelids. I use it as eyeshadow sometimes. So next time y'all see me and y'all like, why does her makeup look like crap? Now you know, because I don't know how to do it. There's no point for me to buy expensive makeup if I don't know how to do it. I also take this contour kit and I use the darkest one and I put it on the outside of my lids like that. Yep. Mm-hmm. And then I just rub it in. Blend is what they say. I don't know. But I don't know how to blend, so. Take my foundation. Ooh, why did I say it like that? Take my foundation and just cut it like that. Make sure it's not all on my cheeks and stuff. Well, I keep talking really country. Well, I guess I am from Missouri. Alright. And then my eyeshadow just, you know, looks like this, whatever. People used to use this mascara in like middle school. I don't know if y'all still, I don't know if you still use it, but hey, I do. I just put mascara on like this. Cheap mascara recommendations I am taking. Let me know. Alright. Sometimes, you know, you could like dust the bottom there. Cool. Then, last but not least, I'll put chapstick on. Burt's Bees. Sometimes, most of the time I put on lipstick if I'm like going somewhere, but as you see, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna put some chapstick on. That's my Ratchet makeup routine, you know, real Ratchet. Wipe my hands. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time in my next video.